Well, it's been a long day of sleeping. Pandora's gone somewhere. And yeah, maybe I might check that puppet's box. Maybe she might be in there. Or he, whatever it is. Can't tell. It's a puppet. Ow. Hello? Does he want me to go down?
What the fuck?
Hello.
What are you doing in my box?
Wondering.
Hi,
I.
I'm the puppet.
Hi.
You can
I'm
call me
fredbear.
Puppet, Marionette, Mary. I go by many names. Get out my box.
Yeah, I will. I was just wondering if there was actually anyone down here. Other than
Why
me and
wouldn't I be?
Pandora. There's only me
Me.
and Pandora here.
Oh, the red and orange guy?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Hmm. Those
Hmm.
don't work. They haven't been. Yeah,
Eh, I tried.
you know, they don't really work. Unfortunate for you, but
It's not really unfortunate, because I don't really use them. I just tried.
fair enough. Fair enough. So, Fredbear, you don't remember me.
Uh, huh? What?
Nothing, nothing. Don't worry about it.
Uh, but basically, welcome to Fredbear's, I guess.
Yeah, been here for a bit.
Yeah. Also, did you know there's a park outside?
Mm, I look
Park.
around.
That door opened on its own. Oh, well, I will say to you this. Um, my friend Pandora doesn't really like you.
Mm,
They said like you scared them from how you look.
I have that effect.
I don't. I'm fine.
I have that effect on people.
I like everyone here, even if they're not here. See, we've got uh Charles the peg.
Charles.
Yes,
Really.
Charles.
So, you don't remember nothing. Like
No,
Spring
I just woke
Bunny.
up here.
Does that name ring a bell? Spring Bunny.
Who's Spring Bonnie? Like, is he the Bon? Is he the thing over there? Or oh wait, he might be the yellow bunny because we know that's Bonnie, that's Foxy, that's Freddy, and your puppet.
Yes.
So I don't know who you are. I don't know who you two are, and you
Wonder.
two.
Um, the Fun Time animatronics.
Who?
Oh, the Fun Times. That
I
Circus Baby,
yeah, I don't
Clown
recognize
Girl.
any of those names. I just woke up.
Well, I don't think you'll know the Fun Times, but
Da, 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 da. Hmm.
Evan? Question mark? Or are you Cassidy?
Who?
Can't tell. Oh, neither. Weird. Maybe a
Oh,
replacement.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Wait, did you? Oh, okay.
I just took one. Ah. Oh. What do I?
What?
What do we do? Like, you already know this place, obviously.
But
I
yeah,
don't.
I guess I could probably trigger some memories. Let's just go back to the main area.
Okay.
I'm kind of confused. Like,
Hmm.
mm, we met before. Hmm. This- I,
Oh.
maybe you're a newspaper
Oh,
model?
I got a question.
Huh?
Ever since I woke up, I've been incredibly numb. And, like,
Gotta be. No.
my head aching in some weird way. Oh, sorry.
Okay, wait. Can you get on the main stage for me? I need to
Okay.
check something. Let me just check behind your head. Just like that. No, you're the same one. Okay. What's your opinion on the name Cassidy? Did that ring a bell of any sort?
No. I know Whispers, though.
Uh,
Let's say that name.
Evan?
Like, ever since I woke up, the first word I heard
Spring Bonnie?
was that name, and then I woke up.
Okay.
Spring Bonnie, I do not know him, but I predicted his name, I think, once. My prediction, he's the Yellow Rabbit, because
The,
everyone else...
yes, the little rabbit.
Who's that
So you,
in the middle?
hmm?
Who's that?
It's
You
just
know,
a recolor version of you. Wait, hold up. Let me see what you're talking about.
no, look, it's a yellow bear, but with black eyes, like me. But he has
Um,
black bow tie. He's a mix of me and Freddy. Is he like a child?
um, no. Um,
Huh. But anyway,
no.
what else?
Um, how do I explain that one? Uh, this is, huh. Um, yeah, doesn't matter. How about the name? I know. Huh, so you don't remember me at all. This is the first time we met, right? To you.
To me, yes. I predicted your name, though, Takano, when I was talking to Pandora. I just said you're a puppet.
Yeah, I look like Puppet. I also go by Marionette, Puppet Master, the Puppet,
Hmm.
Charlie sometimes. Uh, um,
So did
so,
so
okay.
I've been
So,
alive before this. Are you trying to say that?
yes, in simple terms,
I don't have any memories. Are you trying to say?
uh, may, I guess so?
Huh.
Because
So how
you
did I
still
lose
don't
them?
seem not sure. You're not Cassidy or Evan, so maybe you're the actual electronic itself.
Huh.
Someone actually. Wait, hold up.
Has anyone
Oh,
tried to go out the pizzeria?
we can. We choose not to, though.
Is it because we might get lost?
Yes, that's the right reason.
Okay.
And yeah, the facility doesn't
Wait.
really like
I,
people being out. The company doesn't like being people outside. The animatronics outside.
my
So,
head hurt then. Looking in that direction.
um,
Eh.
it's just, that's just there's nothing over there. So you can clearly see tell. Okay, wait. Let me look at something.
Okay.
Stand still. Yeah, you're on stage mode, which doesn't. What was if I? How do you feel?
The same, really.
Remember anything? Let me just
Uh,
push the back then. Okay, that did not work. Uh,
I.
it's fine, Fredbear. It's fine.
What was I like before?
Um, you like the name. Mm, sweet, sweet sometimes, angry in others.
Uh, well, I see myself as that now because I'm not. I'm not mean. The only thing I'm mean to is that weird child outside, or the
But
possessed one.
what?
There's like a.
What?
It's like a. How do I say? Bouncy place?
Oh, oh, Balloon Boy. Okay.
Yeah.
Those are past animatronics that might be coming over here.
Oh. Oh. Hmm. I feel like there's
Don't.
something should be here, but it's not.
Just a wall.
No, like on the here. I remember something here.
Let's just keep. Um, mm, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. See, look, nothing. No,
Huh.
don't
Onto the
don't
stage.
don't worry about it. Yeah,
This is
yeah.
a room that.
See, yeah, but not all.
Oh, can you explain this
Okay.
room? This room.
Which one?
Uh, Part here.
Uh,
Like, what is up with this room?
it's a side part of the service room.
That's a window. Spring bonnet. Is that for some reason?
Yep. Just yeah, bit dirty. It's just
What the?
back room.
Can I?
It's like it's
Okay.
locked. Maybe in the future. Oh, well, it's me. Okay,
Uh,
okay. I know.
that
Oh, okay. Now
sounds
see.
very familiar. Hmm. Friday with. I'm not gonna ask.
It's just me.
You know. Uh, actually, no, I'm not gonna change it. I would just put down. Do not put. Just don't go in.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. So you don't
Park
remember
security. Wait.
deja vu. Well, yes. No, yes.
Why is the?
Yeah, you don't have to possess nothing. Okay. Oh. mm.
Ooh. What's in?
I
Oh,
probably won't go inside those if I were you.
vents.
The thing's still up here. But that's the other one. So maybe we'll go for that. Just vents. Not like anything will be up here. I don't think.
Break room. Ooh, Ben.
Foxy's Pirate Cove. Another office. Yeah, it's another office.
Christ.
Both features. Something the matter?
Nothing.
What if you need me out be inside my box?
Okay. See ya, puppet.
Bye, Fredbear.
Bye, Mary.
You're fine calling me puppet. You call me whatever you want, and I don't care. People
Uh,
just never settle on a name for me, so yeah.
yeah. Okay. Uh, Marionette. Huh. That was interesting. Maybe I might tell Pandora. And not that bad. Cassidy. Strange. Huh. I can tell him all about this. Our new friend. And sadly, for him, it's, well, the thing he feared. Waiting for Pandora to come back. Where is he? Did he go on a roller coaster again? My Christ. Pandora! You around? Hello? Ugh. No, I don't know where he is. Let's go back on stage. He's probably somewhere on a trip. Hey! Who? Hello? Hello? What? Hello? Hello? Oh, that was weird. Maybe I'll go back to stage. Probably just some. Probably something watching. What was that? I don't see him. Those. Pandora?
So, turn around, Fredbear. What's up?
Hi. Hey, I got a question.
Yo.
One question, and two. I found the puppets. They're nice. They got a lot of questions for me.
Wait, what? That thing actually exists? It's here?
Yeah, they were asking me questions like Cassidy, if I remembered anything. I learned I was alive before this moment.
Neat.
Yeah, I got a question. Have you seen a black figure around here that looks like me?
A black figure that looks like you.
I just
No.
saw it in the corner of my eye.
No, not really.
Okay then.
Unless you count me as a shadow, which I'm definitely not.
Well,
So the puppet thing exists. Neat. I'm definitely not gonna be scared. But whatever.
well, I don't know. Pandora. I suggest it's gonna become morning in any minute now. Oh, it's raining.
5:59.